Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Roblox Error Code 279. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is go to the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen, click on it, and type CMD. When the command prompt app appears, select Run as Administrator. This will open a new window where you'll enter a few commands. First, type ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. You should see a message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Next, type net sh winsock and press enter. Now lastly, type net sh winsock reset and press enter. You'll get another message confirming the reset. Once that's done, type exit and press enter to close the window. There's one more step before Roblox will work properly again. Go back to the search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. Inside the Control Panel, look for Network and Sharing Center and click on it. From there, select your active internet connection, the one showing Access Type Internet. This will open a new window. Click on Properties and another box will appear. Look for Internet Protocol version 4 and click on it. Then press the Properties button. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. Select it, and in the Preferred DNS Server field, type 1111, and in the Alternate DNS Server field, type 1001. Click OK, close all the windows, and then restart your computer. After your PC restarts, the Roblox Error Code 279 should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the Roblox Error Code 279. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.